Theorem 10.6 Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. It means that the chords are equal, that is given to us. So we have written AB is equal to PQ and we have to show they are equidistant. It means at the same distance from the center. Distance is always taken as the perpendicular distance because it is the shortest distance. Okay. So we have to show that OM is equal to OQ. So for that we have done the construction. We have drawn perpendicular OM and ON on the equal chords AB and PQ. Now here we can see that if AB and PQ are equal, it means that their half part should also be equal. Why it is half? Because OM is drawn perpendicular and perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. Okay. And hence we can say that MB will be equal to NQ. Now we are going to consider these two triangles. In these two triangles, angle M is equal to angle N, that both are is equal to 90 degree. This is by construction. OR is equal to OQ. Both are the radius of the same circle, so they will be equal. Now MB will be equal to NQ. These are the half of the equal chords and hence they will be equal. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by RHS and hence their corresponding parts means OM will be equal to ON, and that is only we want to show. Now the theorem 10.7, it is just the converse of it, which says that chords equidistant from the center, then the circle chords which are equidistant from the center, then chords are having the equal lengths that we have to show. It means what here it is given that they are equidistant from the center, means OM is equal to ON, that is given to us, and we want to show that AB is equal to PQ. So same diagram you should draw for this theorem, and here this step, that is this is equal to this is already there and this will not be there. Again you can prove that these two triangles are congruent by RHS and hence by CPCT you can say that MB will be equal to NQ and hence make the double of it, that will be AB is equal to PQ. So that is your homework. Exercise 10.4, sixth question. In a circular park of radius 20 meter, 3 boys are sitting with the cord in their hand and we have to find out the length of that cord or that spring. Okay, radius is already given 20 meter. So let us consider O is the center of the circle and we know that in a equilateral triangle all are situated at a equal distance. It means A as D, it is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, circumcenter and centroid is the same, and centroid means all medians are meeting at the same point and centroid will divide the median in the ratio 2:1. It means OA is equal to 20, then OM is equal to 10. Okay, so this distance will be equal to 20 as it is 2:1. Now we are going to consider this triangle ODM. In this triangle we know that median is altitude also for the equilateral triangle. So at point M 90 degree angle will be there. So OD square, that is 20 square, will be equal to 10 square plus DM square and we will get the value of DM square and DM will be equal to 10 root 3. What is DM? DM is nothing but the half of its side and hence the length of each side will be equal to twice of the DM, that will be equal to 20 root 3.